Hello, welcome to the RANsquawk US morning briefing for today, 28th of July. European bourses trading in the red at the open today, giving up some of those remarkable gains that we've seen over the last couple of weeks. Financials predominantly underperforming in Europe after Deutsche Bank reported better than expected earnings. However, said it was increasing its provisions and thereby upped speculation that it may yet book more write-downs. USTs, they moved higher as equities came under pressure, with the 10-year benchmark future touching on highs of 116.11. Elsewhere on the FX front, the dollar index struck a new 2009 low today, while the yen strengthened following stock weakness. And also the Aussie dollar posted good gains after hawkish comments out of the RBA Governor Stevens. In terms of WTI, the black oil has traded higher in the Asian session, but trended to the downside as European equities moved lower, touching on lows 67.38 a barrel. Also worth noting, another story grabbing attention today. The Wall Street Journal's Heard on the Street column said it was normal for June home sales to be higher. Article said that year-on-year home sales were down 21.3%, thereby indicating that yesterday's new home sales data may have been overstated. The article did receive some attention from the markets and could have been a contributory factor to the downtick we've seen in equities. In terms of equity-specific news in the US today, GE has said it sees no need to raise extra capital. IBM has agreed to buy SPSS for $1.2 billion. Bristol Myers says it has begun its tender offer to acquire Medarex. In Europe, in terms of equities, we're down between 5 and 0.8% at the moment, while oil, gas, financials and basic materials sectors all weighing on the European bourses. So just looking ahead, in around half an hour's time or so, we're looking out for US consumer confidence expected at 49, as well as Richmond Fed Manufacturing Index. Also further to that, we'll be looking out for comments from Fed's Yellen later in this session, as well as the results of the $42 billion 2-year note auction out of the US Treasury.